Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative, and today we're looking at the Polaroid Lab. Now this one uses regular Polaroid film. It's not a digital version of like Polaroid, instant photography as I think the Z Ink one is, but this one is literally taking something from your phone and printing it out in the same format of Polaroid, with the white borders, the black borders, or whatever kind of borders that you have. It is doing that, and it does it really well. So we're going to quickly show you how it works, but this is more about just a recommendation. So you would turn it on, you would pop it open, you'd lift off the little flap on top of here, and then you would take your caseless phone after going to the Polaroid app and bringing up the image that you really want. You would set this down right here, and you would kind of wait for it, and it would then print out and take as long as a normal Polaroid would to develop. But I just want to see how much the Polaroid Lab, because this works with any kind of Polaroid film. Like, it doesn't matter color, black and white, the variants that they have here. It is exposing basically the screen on here, OLED or LED, and it's just working. So right now you can get this for about $117 on Amazon. Looks like $93 on B&H Photo. But it is one of my favorite things because for me, those digital printers, they never really work out for me. They look a little bit too grainy in the wrong way, like digital grain, not natural grain. But I love shooting with literally, you can take your phone photography or you can take your favorite camera, you can import to your phone and you can have that image, memorialized permanently, in physical space. And I just love having that, and I've started to make like little wall sections with that, and I think it works out really, really well. It's something I would recommend, especially for around that price, because that's about the same price as a Polaroid camera. And sometimes a Polaroid camera can be finicky because it's an artistic tool. Maybe the light's not exactly right for it, but if you have like your really, really good camera, or if you have your really good smartphone, you're not really going to get that many misses, and you can take as many shots as you want, and then you can just print it out on that. It does a really, really good job. Anyway, I've looked at this in previous videos, so you can see the picture quality of that. This is, again, more of just a recommendation of these products still being valid here in 2024. But yeah, guys, if you have any comments or questions, put in the comment section below. Don't forget you can find me on Instagram and Threads at M8B9. You can email me at creativenyc2024@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you next time.